Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair last night using a recommendation, and it's the Pravana Chromasilk in the shade 1N, which is just black. I ordered this on Amazon. This color is usually like a salon color where you can only get it from like Cosmoprof if you have if you know somebody who has like a membership there, they could get it for you. They could like call it in type of thing, or you could get on eBay or Amazon. And I was told that they got theirs on Amazon and wanted to see my thoughts on it before they tried it. So yeah, so here we are. So this tube is gigantic. If you are familiar with my one video with the argan oil, the one and only, which is like this giant size, it's like 2 tubes in one, except this is 3 ounces and that one is 4. So that one has like technically 2 tubes in one. I actually bought 2 of these not knowing that they were this large, and I did have to use the second bottle. Not a lot, I only needed 1 extra ounce, so I would have 4 ounces of hair color. And then this is a 1 and 1.5 ratio, so it called for every 1 ounce of color you needed 1.5 ounces of developer. So yeah, just wanted to let you know about that. So if you have thick hair like me, you'll need 2 bottles. If you have just short hair, I think 1 bottle will be great, as long as it's not like super thick like mine. But just to be on the safe side, it's easier to order more instead of having a hair emergency and needing it while you're coloring. So, and it's good to have on hand. So like when I need to do my roots, I could just go in and use the extra bottle and just do roots. So that is great. That is a huge plus, and it's affordable, so that's a bigger plus. So anyways, this color, did I say I ordered it on Amazon? I ordered it on Amazon. It's pretty gentle. It had its moments where like once I was done coloring it and I was just sitting waiting for it to be processed, it would itch a little bit here and a little bit there, but then it would just disappear. It wasn't like anything crazy. Nothing intolerable. So it definitely was, in my opinion, very gentle. It wasn't crazy like, oh my god, I gotta itch this, I gotta get it off my head, nothing like that. I want to say it's virtually scentless because I didn't notice a scent. Like I noticed it at first and it was pretty pungent, but then like it just disappeared. It didn't smell like anything, and I can't even tell you what the smell smelled like. I think it just smelled like hair color, but like it disappeared. Like once I like squirted it in the bottle or into the bowl, it like the smell went away. So you don't need ventilation. I didn't notice the smell whatsoever. It didn't irritate my eyes. Nothing like that. But it does stain your skin and your sink and your tub. So bleach, scrub and bubbles, whatever you prefer, just make sure that you like line everything because it gets messy. Like my ear is black or blue or whatever color. It looks blue to me, and like even trying to cover up some of the stains that I have, I tried my thickest concealer just to cover up those bad boys and it didn't work. I mean, you can't see it. It's not as noticeable, but I know it's there. So anyways, yeah, just be careful. It does stain. My arms are stained. My ears, everything. Yeah, so I think that's it that I have to say. It did come out really dark. It didn't say anything about gray coverage or anything about that, so I have no idea if this is good gray coverage or not, but it did cover mine. My whites were so bad. I don't know what's going on, but they were coming in hot. Since the last time I colored it, they were popping up everywhere, and it covered all of them. So even my one stubborn one that likes to just not be covered with color. So it definitely covered it. I do see kind of hints of blue. When it was developing, it was turning blue, and this is just black. They do not offer a blue black at all, or anything darker than just black. So just to let you know, if you're wondering if they had a blue black, they don't. But this one, I kind of see some blue when looking at my hair from the natural light. I kind of see some blue. It is a really dark black though. The one thing I noticed is that when I'm sitting in front of my vanity, it looks dark brown, but I just think it's the lights. Lighting is everything. Like, if natural light gives you the best overall look of what your hair color looks like. But when you're under fluorescence and you're under like warm lighting and vanity lighting, it's all different types of light. So you're going to see different types of hues in your hair. But I feel like natural color or natural lighting is key to see what it really looks like. My hair feels really good. My hair feels amazing. It's so soft. It's so sleek. It doesn't smell like hair color because, like I said, it virtually had no scent. So my hair smells just like my shampoo. And I really like it. It looks really good. We'll see how long it lasts. I will update you guys. If you guys follow me on Instagram, it's Nina_Gilhousen. And I will update you guys and let you know on there, like, sometimes I do the first wash, sometimes I do like the second wash, and see how well it holds up, and let you know if my grays are popping through or if it just didn't stick to my hair at all, or if it was worth it or not. And, you know, I'm honest. When I'm coloring my hair, I'm not going to say, oh, I love this color if I don't love it. And if it doesn't stick, I'm going to let you know. If it bleeds, I'm going to let you know. So far, I haven't had any issues with any of the hair color recently with it bleeding at all. So I really haven't had to mention that. Most of the time I just say, like, this is what the hair color looks like after a couple washes. Unfortunately, trying to get a close-up of, like, if my grays or whites or whatever popping up, it's really hard to get a really good picture of, like, your roots because it just doesn't focus right. So I try, but I will let you see. I will see if it in a different angle shows up any darker or anything. Let's see. I think it actually looks bluer. I don't know if the camera's picking up what I see, but I see blue hues. I feel like it looks a lot bluer than it does, like, as a jet black. Right there, it looks really dark and really good. But when the light hits it just right, I definitely see some blue. But my hair feels so soft. Sorry if I keep touching it, but it just feels so good. Oh, that's not bad or good. I'll have to take some pictures in, like, different areas of my house and see, like, what it looks like in different lighting, and I will post that on here as well. I was gonna say something. Oh, so I have one more blue black, but I might hold off on that one because it's mixing the Age Beautiful. It's mixing a blue with a blue black, and I think I might hold off on that unless you guys want to just voice your opinion on that, and just jump right into the most requested, highly requested, and do the purple or the violet black. And it's the L'Oreal, was it Deep Violet? You think I know this because like every single time I ask for a recommendation, it is highly requested every single time. So it's either I'm going to just jump right into the purple blacks or violet blacks or whatever you want to call them and start doing that, and then just save that blue black for a different time. Unless you guys want to see that before I jump in, because that's my last blue black that I have. And then moving on into like the violets. And I don't know if you guys are interested in seeing violet blacks more often, because I could do like all of them. I just kind of want your guys' opinion. Or do you just like the blue blacks? Because I think I'm all out, and I can do like the salon ones, which I would have to buy like on eBay and stuff like that, because I do not have like a license to order like the hair color from like Cosmoprof or anything. So like I could always do like whatever I could find on eBay, like from Matrix or, you know, whatever. It's up to you guys. So you guys are the ones that like I'm doing this for. So if there's a color that you want me to try, and if it's from overseas, I have the hardest time finding a majority of them. Like there's still some that were on the list that I can't get my hands on. COVID screwed up a lot of things for shipping, and the prices is jacked up, and it hasn't come down, or they just can't ship it here anymore because of shipping costs. So I kind of waited way too late to like jump on those ones. So yeah, overseas I can try to find those colors, but just let me know what you guys prefer to see. Do you want me to do the whole violet line? I know this one color from L'Oreal has been highly requested, and I will do that for you. You've waited long enough. I think this has been requested since, I know, last summer, but I've got it. It's sitting in my hair dye shelf or cupboard. So let me know what you guys prefer to see. I will do that color no matter what. I do have another violet black from Age Beautiful as well. So yeah, just let a girl know what you want to see, and I will definitely do them for you. Requests are always recommended, or any of your recommendations are always like top notch. I will definitely see what I could do, where to find it, and get my hands on it and do it and try it if I haven't already done it already. Yeah, so I will see you next time, and bye guys.